Now this is a lovely kitchen, right? Right? Wrong! I'm gonna smash it to bits like so. I'm gonna make it better. I've gotta be an electrician, a decorator, a carpenter, a builder, a plumber, a cleaner, an artist, and more to turn it into this beautiful, gleaming masterpiece. Let's get started, baby.
The next day.
Now we're back in the olden days. There's a lot more work to do here than you probably think. It's quite a massive job. I'm going to be moving that larder to the other side of the room, meaning there's a lot of electric work, so that's going to move. New worktop, new splashback, new cornice, new hob, new strips, new windowsill, new blind, plumbing and everything for the sink, decorating, plinth lighting, floor staying the same. First thing, rerouting the electrics. Got to cut a line, see? Yeah, boy. Make quite a massive mess. Put your back box in like so. That took about 45 minutes. Get yourself some cable. I've used 3.5 mil. Is it, no, 35 mil. I mean, I know. Domestic wire. My Sparky mate Dan told me what to get. There we go. Put that in, put your socket on. Then we're going to use a junction box to connect the mains. See that? The mains power straight from the board to the power for the switch, and then boom, see it there? Close that off, seal it up. Now we just got to check the electrics work. Scary bit. This is always a scary bit. And she's on, baby. Now bang. Not really. Let's see. And we have it, baby. So satisfying. Now we're going to relocate the larder and the oven. I couldn't film much of this, but basically we've got to move that wire in. That'll be for the new hob, that wire in there. Yes, just checking the oven works. It works, it's not overloaded. Yes, plugged in, not overloaded. Job's a good one. Now I've collapsed the larder, took it outside, put it back together. Boom.
7 hours later.
Now it's the next day. I managed to build a new unit, base unit 1000. I rerouted the electrics for the hob. The larder and its contents and the oven and the fridge is all moved to the other side of the room. All patched up, all lovely, all working. The place is a mess. It's getting me down. It's irritating me. End of day 2 now. I've done the new electrics for the induction hob. Yeah, boy. That's gone all the way under there, through there. Base unit's done, as you know. The plinth lighting is done. Trust me, that was satisfying. See, there's something there. Yo, we're bougie, blood. Hey, that's my girl's cage. That was back in winter. Yeah, man. Lockdown legend. Our new wall unit took hours on my own. Hours, blood.
2 hours later.
Now we've had new cornice and end panels. That's the bits that go round. See them there? Round the thing, make it boxed in, give it that lovely look. All the splashback is gone. Dashware. 2 coats of emulsion. My breakfast. Yeah, it's had 2 coats. Probably going to have 4 or 5, to be honest with you. Hob's coming out today. Sink's coming out today. You know the steez. Yeah, I'm getting painting. I'm multitasking. Yeah, boy. Look on this something. Yeah, cutting in. Patterned. Yeah, it's obviously a cooking channel, but I had to share this with you, man. Like, this was hard work. I thought I'd film what I could. Show you how the new Flavor Station kitchen's coming along. Yeah, better kitchen, better content. You know the steez. That's a better look at it now. I think there it's, oh, my girl's under there. Now, I've removed the sink, lovely jubbly, and tested the hob. I've put some hot water on there. That's hot, so yeah, hob is working. Now the end panels, because the base unit was so close to the wall, I didn't have room for an end panel. So I've got this vinyl wrapping, gloss, white gloss, just gives it that glossy extra, just bougie look. See it there? Yeah, man, that was a bit of a DIY hack. I did it on the side of the larder as well. Booyah! Starting to come together now. More filling, more skimming. Did a bit of plastering underneath the bits. Yeah, man. Omelets and eggs. It's getting there now. Oh, yeah. New blind down windowsill. We're smashing it. Installed a lovely PVC windowsill and a Dunelm blind.
2 hours later.
Yeah, the worktop geezers are here. Whoa!
Wow, bold. It's alright, isn't it, that?
Yeah, it's not too good, mate.
Yeah, big up the guys at 4K Joinery.
Quite nice, but quite nice.
Yeah.
Smashed it, the lads. It was a bit of a building, so I always say to the missus, omelets and eggs, baby.
Bold. Bold.
Now the levels are in, just making sure that all the cupboards are going in. It's going in. These man smashed it, I can't lie. Gaffer's there on his phone, look. Letting the young man do all the work. Yeah, boy, it's happening. It's the exciting bit. No more strips. Yes. Well, I meant to ask you, mate. Do you need the sink? Am I alright to start putting the tap in it and stuff, or do you need it upside down?
We will do, yeah, just to mark it out.
Oh, I'll just wait till you're done then. I'll wait till you finish.
Alright.
And there we have it. The first bit's done. Look at the join, blood. 4K joinery, you absolute legends. Look at it. It's beautiful, man. Beautiful. This is why you get the top men on the job, you know. You get the top men on the job. I'm telling you, I ain't no chippy, but I can do bits. But yo, these man smashed it. Sink holes out. The sink's ready to go in. I'm getting the hob ready to go into the slot. Yeah, it's looking nice. Now the hob's in, sealed. It looks gorgeous, mate. Gorgeous. I'm telling you, I can't wait. Now, I bought this drill bit, too big. This drill bit didn't have the drill bit. To make the drill bit, I had to do it by hand like that. Mad. I did it though. Easy. I ain't gonna lie, it was squeaky bum time doing this sink. I didn't want to mash it up, man. It was expensive. I didn't want to thingy. Now, always seal that. See that? If any water gets down there, it ain't gonna blow out. It ain't gonna, look at it. It's beautiful, man. I think it's the end of the last day, almost the last day. All the edges are on, the sink's plumbed in. Took me hours, man. Must have took me 4 or 5 hours and about 7 trips to Wickes. Hob's in. That's got to go in there. That's going to be the snack thing. The wall unit's done, cornice is done. Mrs. bought this so I don't mash up the worktop when I make cups of tea for her. The worktop's looking sexy, I can't lie. Then I went ahead and corked the top just to seal it before I paint it. Got to cork it up and do the thing. That needs another sand. Good to go. I seen enough dance before. It's coming together, I'm gassed. It's been messy, it's been dirty, but I am smashing it, blood. Yeah, man, last day I think. Got the edges on, see it there? Sink's done, windowsills done, Mrs. done some pretty things. Last fix of the decorating, the lighting's in. Everything box, blood. 3-4 days. Got the new gloss splashback on. It's looking sexy, man. Got the extractor fan all done, all wired in. Yeah, man. Floor's all clean. Oh, she's getting there. Oh, now the satisfying. Look how satisfying that is. I must admit, I am knackered. Knackered! Almost there. Come on. Tip run. Final fix. Tip run. It was in lockdown. Look, they never come for the things. It was all overflowing. It was a madness. It was like being stig in the dump. But it was done. I had a strut about me. A certain walk. Now, are we ready to see the results? In 3, 2, 1. Boy. Now we're talking, man. Look at her. My missus been in, done the little bits, got the new microwave, new kettle. There's my lemongrass and ginger tea. Thank you, bloody. Got the salt and pepper, the sugar things, coffee, tea. Got the cake display there. Everything boxed off, man. Woodwork painted, walls painted, ceiling painted. Everything sealed, everything snagged. Got the fruit bowl. Oh, yeah, man. Got the pictures up. Everything's had a paint. Can we just admire this for 1 minute? The wax burner. Oh, honestly. You know when it's a mess and you've had a madness and it's stressed you out, but then you get to stand back and think, raw, I just saved myself about 10 grand, you know. Now that's the prettiest sight of all. Now that's a fruit bowl, blood. Yeah, man. See, when my missus comes in, does all the little frilly bits, man, it makes it look mad. Makes it look so sick. Yeah, man. Floors all glossy, steamed up, buffed up. Got the fridge and the... Trust me, the larder. I wanted a larder over there for a long time. Job's a good one. Sick. Thank you very much for watching, Flavour Chasers. Hit that to watch another video. Hit that to watch another video. Subscribe down there. No messing. Peace.